Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For the ones who are new here, hi, I'm Ruchitha, and if you want to know more about me or more about my channel, then I'll just insert the card above. You can go check it out now and then come back and watch this video. Okay, so guys, how are you? What are you guys doing during these days? Okay, I'm sorry, that's my dog, Rio. Okay, so and I hope you are taking all the precautions needed. Be careful, guys. Take care of yourselves. Okay, so moving on to the video. Rio, hey Mr. Rio, what are you doing? I'm recording a video, Rio. Yeah. So moving on to today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you a few recipes today. It's about a gunpowder. Normally, I think that's what it's called, but I'm a South Indian. In Karnataka, it's called as Chutney puri. That's what I'm gonna show. Three types I'm gonna show. So I hope you all will like it, and it's very easy to prepare, and you can store it for 15 to 1 month. And if it's kept in fridge, you can store it for 1 month, probably. Yeah. So it's very easy, and you can. Sorry, what else? Okay, it's very easy, and you can eat it with anything, like with chapati, with the hot cooked rice and ghee, or see, my mouth is watering actually. And you can make a toast out of it. Rio, please don't make noise. Uh, Bread toast with any kind of roti, with anything. You can also mix it in your Maggi if you want, or pasta if you want to spice it up a little, or you can use it to when you're making some sabji or for masala and all. You can do it. And the next video after this, I'm gonna show you some recipe by using this chutney puri. So without any further ado, let's roll into the video.
Need sliced dry coconut 1 cup, and then curry leaves which has to be fried on a tawa, that is 1/3 cup, and chili powder according to your taste, and then rock salt or crystal salt 1 teaspoon, and then some garlic. Firstly add the coconut and blend it. Later add the other ingredients and blend again in your mixie. Once it's blended, this is how it looks with all the ingredients blended in. It's really nice and yummy. For the next chutney puri recipe, you need a tawa and 1 cup of groundnuts, and roast it till it's properly roasted. Once they are roasted, this is how they look. You can see how they are looking. So keep mixing them up so that they don't burn. To the same tawa, add curry leaves 1 cup and just roast it very slightly, very gently till it's crispy. Peel off the skin of groundnuts properly with just rubbing them through your palm. It will just come out. The ingredients: 2 cup fried gram, 1 cup groundnuts, 1 cup sliced dry coconut, and then 1 cup curry leaves, half cup garlic, turmeric and chili powder, rock salt, jaggery and tamarind. Take a mixie jar and add 1 plus little more cup of coconut which are sliced, and then add 1 cup of curry leaves which are roasted, and then add about a half cup of garlic and grind it. After it's grinded, this is how it looks. So now we have to add the other ingredients, which is the fried gram 2 cups. And then add chili powder, say about 2.5 spoons actually, but it's left to you according to your taste really. And then add a pinch of turmeric powder. Anyways, all the masalas, it's left to your taste actually. And then salt, rock salt, some more rock salt, now add the tamarind, which is according to your taste. Make sure you just add little and then grind and then see it. It's like that. Jaggery, little. And then grind it again. So this is how it looks after it's grinded. Roughly you grind, and then now add the groundnuts, the roasted one, yummy, and give it a quick mix, so that it's properly grinded. The last chutney puri, this is the Niger seeds. That's called uchelu in Kannada, and the masala powder and the same ingredients and little curry leaves. That's it. Add half a cup of roasted Niger seeds, and then tamarind little, rock salt little, and then jaggery little. All these masala items, it's according to your taste, okay? And then add the little curry leaves, which are roasted also. Add 1 cup of chili powder or more according to your taste, and a pinch of turmeric powder, and then blend it. Once it's grinded, this is how it looks. It doesn't look so pretty, but it tastes yummy and it's very good for your health also. So yeah.
That's it about today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching it and learned the recipes and take down the notes about it and etc. Everything, it's very simple. You just need some ingredients, that's it, and then just mix it up, do it in your blender, then you are done. So it's very easy. Do try it and let me know in comments if you do. And yeah, that's it about it. Okay, so next video up, I already told I'm going to show you some recipe about today's chutney puris. So we'll see how that will go, and do try that also. It's the yummiest, my mom's recipe actually, that is. Sorry, I'm just spilling it here. Do watch the next video also. In advance, I'm telling you. Okay, so that's it about today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like my videos, if you're watching regularly, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button also. It will mean a world to me. Thank you so much, guys. And guys in Instagram, then do follow me there. I'll just insert my username, or I'll just link down below. You can follow me there. Take care, guys. Have fun. Be careful. Take all the precautions. Wear mask and sanitize your hand, and also wash your hand, or wear gloves if you can do that. Okay, I'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye, guys.